Welcome to mitox.co.uk. In this video I will show you how to reload the trimmer head on a Mitox 25C SP and 25C Select grass trimmer. Press in the side tabs on the trimmer head and lift off the top cover and spool. Discard any remaining line. Cut 5 meters of 2mm good quality nylon line. I've used less in this video for illustrative purposes. Hold both ends together and find the middle of the line. Hold the spool in either hand and hook the centre of the nylon line over one of the 2 slots on either side of the spool. Wind the line onto the spool following the directional arrow on the spool. Wind both halves onto the spool in the same direction, ensuring each half remains in its own section of the spool. With approximately 20 cm of line left to wind on, place each line into opposite slots on the spool. This will hold the trimmer line in place on the spool, making it easier to reassemble. Place the spool into the top cover. Turn each line out into the U-shaped eyelets in the top cover. Press the top cover and spool back onto the holder on the machine and ensure the tabs click into place.